Our top story this morning, President Biden is expected to address the growing spread of the Omicron variant.
Now, this comes as COVID-19 cases increase across the country.
The White House says that the president does not plan to impose any lockdowns, but will once again remind people about the importance of getting their COVID-19 vaccine, as well as plans to increase testing.
Meanwhile, the CDC has announced the Omicron variant is the dominant strain in the United States now, making up 73% of new cases nationally. The agency says the new national rate suggests more than 650,000 new Omicron cases happened in the U.S. last week.
And unfortunately, one of those transmissions has resulted in the first American death attributed to the Omicron variant. On Monday, health officials in Texas announced an unvaccinated man in Houston who had an underlying health issue passed away from the new strain.
Here at home, Michigan now has a total of 8 Omicron cases, the latest case of the highly contagious variant confirmed in Macomb County. Governor Gretchen Whitmer says she's been warned that Omicron will soon dominate Michigan. Nearly 14,000 new COVID cases have been reported in Michigan since Saturday.
And that's about 4,600 per day. 160 more deaths were also reported. And we just learned that Governor Gretchen Whitmer will be providing an update on Michigan's response to the COVID-19 pandemic later on this morning.
7 Action News reporter Alex Bazarjian joining us live now with why some experts say it's time to reinstate restrictions. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Brian. Well, Governor Gretchen Whitmer says that vaccines were and continue to be our way through this. Unfortunately, 40% of Michiganders still remain unvaccinated, and that number is even worse in Detroit. Now, the governor says her biggest concern right now is the strain this is putting on hospitals.
God forbid one of us has a car accident when we leave here and has to go to the hospital and hope to get seen. They're overwhelmed with COVID patients right now.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer not holding anything back in a Monday press conference when asked about the COVID-19 battle here in Michigan. 2 variants are now spreading through the state, and one could soon overtake the other.
They're telling us that Omicron is going to quickly be the dominant variant because it is just so easy to catch.
Data collected on Omicron shows cases double every 2 to 3 days. According to the CDC, the new variant now accounts for 73% of COVID infections nationwide.
And as we congregate for the holidays, we're encouraging people to do what we know works, and that's vaccinations, that's masking up, that's smaller gatherings.
Detroit's vaccination rate sits at 44%, while the state's vaccination rate is 62%. Denzel Turner says those still on the fence about the shot should reach out to a trusted source.
One of the biggest misconceptions is that, and then also, that it doesn't work, or why get it because you can still spread it. But, it is something that's, protecting you from worser complications of COVID.
Doctors say it's vital to develop a strategy to slow the spread, even if that means more restrictions.
Limits in terms of capacity for restaurants or to have mask mandates for public areas, I think those are a lot more feasible, and those would make a difference because, again, that's going to shut down transmission immediately.
Well, the governor says if you aren't vaccinated, go ahead and get those 2 shots. But if you're already vaccinated, then go ahead and get the booster. That's really our best way to slow the spread and make sure we don't hit a huge surge after the holidays. Live in Hazel Park, I'm Alex Bazarjian, 7 Action News.
All right, Alex, thank you.